Hey there, crypto miners! Today, let's talk about something that can make or break your mining operation. Your maintenance team. You heard that right? It's time to hire a dedicated maintenance crew to keep everything running smoothly. Because let's face it, you can't just rely on wishful thinking and a sprinkle of luck. Imagine this. You've set up your mining rigs and they're chugging away like a well-oiled machine. But then, out of nowhere, one of your rigs starts acting up like a toddler throwing a tantrum. That's when you need your maintenance team to swoop in and save the day. They're the superheroes of the crypto world, armed with tools and knowledge, ready to tackle any hiccup that comes your way. Now, you might be wondering why a maintenance team is so crucial. Well, just like a sports team needs a good coach, your mining operation needs a dedicated crew to ensure everything is operating at peak performance. Regular maintenance can prevent minor issues from snowballing into major disasters. It's like catching a cold early with some vitamin C. Nobody wants that nasty flu ruining their plans. And let's talk efficiency. A well-maintained rig runs smoother, faster, and produces more crypto. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. You wouldn't want to pedal around when you can zoom past the competition. Your maintenance team will keep everything in tip-top shape, allowing you to focus on what really matters, mining those coins and planning your next beach vacation. Plus, having a dedicated team means you won't have to become a DIY expert overnight. You won't need to learn how to fix a rig while balancing a cup of coffee in one hand and a wrench in the other. Let the professionals handle the nitty-gritty while you sit back and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. So, if you want to ensure smooth and efficient crypto mining operations, hiring a dedicated maintenance team is a no-brainer. Join us and reach your next crypto level.